there, let's have some fun with natural harmonics of the guitar. Those above the 12th fret are the easiest to play, followed by those above the 7th and the 5th. Let's focus on those above the 12th and the 7th fret. They can be arranged in a very beautiful way. I'm going to show you now a very dreamy sounding descending line in G major, starting on the high pitched G above the 5th fret on the G string, then followed by the 7th fret B string, 12th E, 7th G, 12th B, 7th D, 12th G, 7th A, 12th D, 7th E, 12th A, and then playing a G major chord. And here's another cool idea, playing the 7th and 12th fret harmonics like a chord. Maybe it will take a while to get a good articulation out of these harmonics, because you need a proper fingering. But what a cool sound! Hey there, let's talk about dissonances. In general, they have a somewhat bad reputation. Let me clear some things up from a, of course, very subjective point of view. To me, music without any dissonances is utterly boring. Let me explain this to you by using chords. Let's focus on two intervals, the major second and the minor second. Isolated, they sound really dissonant. But now let's put them into a harmonic context, like a chord. Here's an E major chord, and I change this major third to a major second. Isolated, still dissonant, but in context, you have to decide for yourself, of course, if you still find the whole chord dissonant. I don't. This dissonant interval lends the chord actually a more dreamy sound. And here is another chord variation of E major. Here we have the really dissonant minor second in there. But together in context it sounds fantastic. Let's do this again with a C major chord. Adding a 9th, I have now on top a major second. Sounds really dissonant, isolated, but in context. Wonderful. Making this even stronger by adding also a minor second. Isolated, pretty dissonant, but in context, wonderful. Hey there, just let me show you some beautiful voicings in E minor or G major. A key element of these chords are open strings, so you cannot adapt this to all keys. That's what a capo is for. The concept is really easy. I'd like to have an open G string and an open E string. This is actually in itself an E minor. I have a root and a minor third. I start with this well-known E minor 7 voicing, but instead of barring the chord, I lift my fingers, and the G and the high E string are free. I will now play all chords of the G Ionian system, and in the G Ionian system on the 6th degree is the E Aeolian mode. E minor. The next chord, D7. I again lift my finger and free the G and the E string. I like these sounds. Doing the same with C major 7. Getting rid of the 7th. B minor 7. A minor 7. Here I can't lift anything. Then G. Playing this way. And the F sharp is somewhat difficult because the basic tetrad would be a minor 7 flat 5 chord. But playing the G string and the E string open sounds not good. And I choose to play also an open B string. I can bear this dissonance. And this resolves into an E minor at 9. Today I'd like to use an old German Christmas song and demonstrate to you how you can easily change the mood by only change a few chords. I play the song in an easy campfire style. First I'm gonna play now the G major version. Now I'm gonna do some changes to the chords. I want to make this G major song an E minor song. E minor is the relative minor key to G major.